It was just a scooter until it lifted off the ground and flew Max straight into a top secret sky zone. Max discovered an old scooter hidden behind his school's tech lab, covered in vines, scratched panels, and faintly glowing from beneath layers of dust. He knelt down, brushed off the grime, and grabbed the handlebars. Suddenly, the scooter began to hum and floated a few inches off the ground. A tiny robotic voice echoed from within. "You're the pilot now. Are you ready to fly?" Before Max could respond, the scooter roared to life and launched straight through the school's rooftop. He clung on with both hands, wind blasting his face as he zoomed high above rooftops, trees, and shining skyscrapers. Just then, red lights blinked and a robotic voice warned, "Unregistered flyer detected, Sky Patrol activated." Two massive flying police drones swooped in, locking onto him with piercing sirens. Max weaved between hovercars and neon billboards, dodging laser nets and spinning wildly through mid-air traffic. One of the drones struck the scooter's wing, sending Max hurtling into a dark, swirling storm cloud. He plunged deep into the cloud, lightning crackling and curling around him like angry snakes. The scooter's core flashed with blinding light, then exploded outward, launching Max from the storm like a shooting star. Before him appeared something incredible, a hidden floating island with glowing vines, crystal towers, and waterfalls flowing through the sky. The scooter touched down gently near a glowing stone pedestal. Suddenly, it projected a bright memory beam into the air. It showed a kid, almost identical to Max, soaring through a sky war on the same scooter 100 years ago. Max's eyes widened. This scooter wasn't broken, it had been waiting for him. A nearby cliff wall rumbled open, revealing a hidden hangar full of ancient floating scooters suspended in midair. As Max stepped closer, each one lit up, hovering slightly and recognizing him as their next pilot. Then the hologram returned and said, "The skies need protectors again. Build your sky team. The storm will rise once more." Dark clouds swirled across the horizon, lightning flashing ominously. Max took off, leading a squad of fearless kid pilots, flying in perfect formation, scooters blazing with blue energy. Together, they soared straight into the storm's core, shattering it from within with a burst of light. As the skies cleared, floating islands shimmered with colors never seen before. The scooters hovered calmly above, like watchful guardians of the sky. Max smiled. His floating scooter wasn't just a ride, it was a destiny rediscovered. A signal beamed across the earth, reaching kids in every corner of the world. Maybe your scooter is already waiting nearby, quiet, glowing, and ready to fly. Join Max and the Sky Riders, like, subscribe, and comment your sky name to begin your adventure today.